What is up, y'all? Right now we are headed to get some viral pancakes, so come with us. Okay, so right now we're getting Japan pancakes. They're like these fluffy pancakes that I've seen like all over Instagram, so we're gonna go try them. I'm very excited. Okay, that's it. Okay, we're heading to Minoo-no-taki Falls, so come with us. So first we gotta take this train real quick. We made it to the site, but we have to do a little hiking to actually get to the falls. So here's little pictures of our little journey. I got a grape soda. Here's one of the falls, but not the actual fall. I can swim, me good. Let me get the picture. We made it. I'm gonna try to get in there. Okay, what is up, y'all? We're back. We just came off the train, and now we're heading to something. I don't know where we're going, but we're heading somewhere for 5. I don't know if y'all can see me. It's like very bright out here. Hold on, let me show y'all this. Like, y'all can see the light reflecting on my glasses. Like, that is how bright it is. I have to keep on my glasses right now. I'm just gonna show you all these gift shops. Tried McDonald's in Japan for the first time. Great experience. We got the teriyaki burger. It was really good. 10 out of 10. Hey y'all, so we just like left the room over there because excuse me. Right now we are going to I don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere for 6:30, and then yeah, so we're gonna head over there. It's like a 33 minutes on the train, so I ended up finally downloading the show, so I at least have something to watch, because I'm a low-key be bored on the train, because like the Wi-Fi is not the best. So we made it to our night tour of Osaka. And after the tour, we went to a ramen shop. Thanks for watching, bye.